that the United States of America invaded Venezuela and kidnapped its legitimately elected sitting president, Nicolas Maduro, and First Lady Cecilia Flores. This was a blatant and flagrant violation of the Charter of the United Nations, and thereby extension flagrant disregard of international law. For Namibia, President Maduro was at that time and still is the legitimate president of Venezuela, popularly elected by the people of Venezuela. The real sovereigns of the Republic of Venezuela. Namibia condemns this barbaric act of aggression in the strongest terms and joins the international community in demanding the immediate return of President Maduro and the First